Alright, so we're going through the West Bank right now, and before we continue, they stopped off at a gas station, and we have to change buses from this one, which is really nice and comfortable seats and everything, to a bulletproof bus. So it's going to be kind of crummy, or probably muggy, hot, but it's safe, to say the least. So this, from this. There's airway on the bus, as you can see. Bulletproof. It's been worse, I've been in buses where you can't see out the window, that's how bad it is. This one's not too scratched up, but it's pretty thick. You can see the top here. The top's normal, but at least here it's safe. It's not as comfortable with the other one. It's an older bus, as you can see. But yeah, hopefully I guess we won't need to utilize the windows. But better be safe than sorry.